Hello. Next project in my life is renovation of this apartment. This is not my project, it's my wife's project. So I will only be helping and filling orders. Now let's take a look at the current stage. This is the entrance. Not enough height, unfortunately. Fridges. The real entrance. The bathroom. The bathtub. My wife's bedroom, as she wanted, open on every side. The kitchen. And the living room with the dining table. This is where we play with our kids. Now this is the and we also have a workstation here. And this is the kids' room. This will stay the same, so they say. Okay, and the next thing is this fence wall. This fence for the stuff. This is a very good fence, I love it. So unfortunately, that has to be gone as well. So the history repeats itself. And I will reuse this as a treehouse fence. So stay tuned.